Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Today in Cecar's news program, we are going to be talking about the kite festival that took place here in Monteria recently. From the Institutional Welfare Office, Claudia Castillo coordinated the event in which the student body, professors of the university, and administrative employees took part in. All present indulged in presents and acrobatics, sports events, and music, among other things. And there were prizes that were given. A prize was given to the first family that arrived at the event and to the most creative kite. Antonio Vélez assisted the project and also projected himself, giving a speech on how to have fun a safe way. So this is all for today's news. Thank you for having me in your homes. I wish you a wonderful afternoon and thank you for being part of the Cecar's news program family. Have a great night.